Choosing between R and Python for data science depends on your specific needs, goals, and preferences. By the end of this video, you will have a guideline. There are some key points to consider when choosing one of these programming languages for data science. Number 1. Purpose and application. Originating from a statistical background, R programming is excellent for data analysis and statistical work. It is particularly strong in areas like bioinformatics, epidemiology, and other fields where complex statistical analysis is crucial. Python is a more general-purpose programming language. It's great for data science, but also for building applications, web development, and automating tasks. Python's versatility makes it a good choice if you want a language that can be used for both data science and other programming tasks. Number 2. Ease of learning. R has a steeper learning curve, especially for those new to programming. However, it offers a rich set of packages for statistical analysis and visualization. Python is known for its readability and ease of learning, making it a popular choice for beginners in programming and data science. Number 3. Community and support. Both languages have strong active communities. Python's community is larger due to its broader application, which can make finding support and resources easier. R's community is highly specialized in statistics and data analysis, which can be a significant advantage if you need specialized help. Number 4. Data analysis and visualization. R is excellent for complex statistical analyses and offers a wide variety of packages for data visualization. Python is also powerful in data analysis with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy. For visualization, it offers tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Number 5. Job market and career opportunities. Python is often preferred in industries where data science is part of a broader context of software development. R is more niche, but highly valued in academia, research, and roles heavily focused on statistical analysis. Number 6. Integration and scalability. Python is better for larger, more complex data-driven applications and has superior integration capabilities with web applications and production environments. While R can handle fairly large datasets, it might not be as scalable and integrable as Python in a production environment. If you're more interested in pure statistical analysis, particularly in academic or research settings, R might be more suitable. If you're looking for a more versatile language that's easier to learn and widely used in various industries, Python is a great choice. Many data scientists learn both, using each where it fits best.